Talk to me about the blockchain because you've become this, blockchain guru now. You're in London to talk at
CoinGeek.
CoinGeek, and
CoinGeek 2020.
you're meeting with the man that you believe is the real Satoshi Nakamoto, who denies it. But you are right in there. You've met with Andreas Antonopoulos, who we've had on the show 3 times. Tell me about what you see in blockchain and what is currently happening.
Well, I think the blockchain is what is sometimes called a unity. It's a single technology that addresses a set of serious global crises. And the two most serious ones, I think, is the collapse of internet security. And when you can tell a paradigm has failed, when the more money you spend on it, the worse the results. And today, the internet security paradigm in 2019 generated some 8 billion breaches of personal data, 8 billion pieces of personal data were hacked, and 4 times the year before. I mean, it's just, and every year we spend 20% more on internet security, and every year there are more hacks. This is a broken paradigm. The other great hacking scandal in the world is the scandal of money. The biggest industry in the world is not food or transportation or housing or or medicine or whatever. The biggest industry in the world is currency trading. Every 3 years, the Bureau for International Settlements does a triennial review, its triennial survey. And in 2016, which was the last one until last month, a couple months ago, they estimated that currency trading was $5.1 trillion a day. That is 25 times all global GDP, roughly. It's roughly 75 times all global trade in goods and services. And the result of all this currency trading is, it seems to be more trade wars, more currency conflicts, more economic conflict and failure. And that's, and I've just discovered that the new triennial review of the Bureau of International Settlements shows that over the last 3 years, while the world economy didn't really thrive, there was some kind of recession. Trade stopped growing. During this period, currency trading increased 30% to $6.7 trillion every 24 hours. I mean, it's just an absurd sort of waste of computer power and waste of entrepreneurial skills, waste of bandwidth. And the reason I'm so excited about the blockchain is that it addresses both these problems at once. It's a unity. It addresses the problem of internet security. It's a new security layer for the internet where personal identities can be immutably anchored in this blockchain software structure. And it solves this other hacking problem where central banks hack world money and in this carnival of floating currencies and currency trading.
This is central banks printing money, monetary policy easing,
and issuing
quantitative
debt
easing.
madly,
Right.
and stealing from the future, and you know, it just that's central banks operations which don't even result in more trade. If it, you know, that should, if money is working, global money is working, you have more trade every year and less conflict, and the money is more reliable. It offers more dependable information to entrepreneurs. So there's less conflict, but because of this scandal of internet security, we can't even trust Huawei routers. This was the great Chinese telecom company. It was a private company, and that beat out all the state-owned enterprises in China and became the world's leading telecom equipment vendor. And now we're terrified that if Huawei routers, which are full of American and Israeli and Western chips and based on Western standards and incorporate Western software, that somehow these Huawei routers are going to be a Trojan horse that brings down the West. It's just, it's a fantasy.
It's not going to happen.
It's not going to happen, but it's the result of this collapse of internet security, because with billions of hacks, you can't trust anything. And so all these nations are building walled gardens around their internets and trying to regulate them more, and they're going to end extinguishing this great achievement of our era, and which is really internet technology. And so the blockchain offers a solution to internet security, and it also offers a solution to global money.